Hey guys, this is SoulRag333 with another review. In here I have the DNA Designs DK-31 WFC K30 upgrade kit. This is for the Ark, the Commander class or Titan class, whatever it is, the Ark. And that was a pretty cool figure. I mean, it's the Ark. We never saw him transform. I don't think that's a thing, but it's the Autobot ship, and they made it transform, so pretty cool. Now, we now have an upgrade kit from DNA Designs, and so far they have been pretty good with their kits. I think their best kit was the Studio Series Ironhide, the Studio Series Voyager Megatron, and the Leader Class Shockwave. Those were the best upgrade kits. They improve all of those figures. And then obviously the upgrade kits for the city figures, Metroplex and them. I got him and the upgrade for Scorponok. Both upgrades, I think, both sets. So yeah, those are awesome. And when I saw this one, I had to get it because I love the Ark. It's a pretty cool figure. Now, I am a little disappointed that there's a little bit of parts forming, but oh well. There's a gap filler that goes into, I guess, the tower. So I'm going to insert this when I get the figure. Then a couple of other gap fillers, more missiles, or to attach on top. I guess they clip on. And then more gap fillers for the side of the spaceship. Fills in the gap for that, I guess, the knee joint for the robot mode. I don't know, maybe it would have been more complicated to figure out a way to do this without parts forming, but I mean, it's alright. And then these gap fillers too. But the real reason I got them is for the hands. These are awesome. Fully articulated hinge at the base of the fingers, and the fingers can spread out, and each finger has 2 knuckle joints. The thumb can swivel, bend, hinge at the base, and then at the end here too. Now, I had an issue with the hands, and I actually had to contact TF Source, and they sent me, well, I had to return it, and then they shipped me back another set. And the issue was this unpegs very easily. And what it is, this mushroom peg is a little too round. It's not a perfect disc. Now the replacement that I got is much better, so it holds more securely. But I don't know. That should not be. It should be perfectly flat and, has some sharp. I mean, it just should peg in better. This still doesn't look right to me, but it is better than the one I had. The one I had, the thumbs just flew off very easily. This is, again, a little bit better. I feel like maybe I'll add a piece of plastic and wedge it in there, and that way it'll be a permanent fix. But thanks to TF Source, they were able to send me another kit when I shipped the defective one back. So can't wait to add these on to my Ark. Thanks for watching, guys.